Hello guys, I am Anji Chauhan from the Basic Info, going to present a demo on how to create a Gmail account. First, open your browser and type Gmail. Here you see many links are given. Click on Create Google Account. Now you can see that Google wants you to enter some information like first name, last name and other information. So fill these information. Then click on Next. Now you see that Google wants you to enter your phone number to verify your account. Click on Next. After clicking on Next, you will receive a message from Google with a verification code. So enter that code. After entering the code, click on Verify. Here we have to fill some additional information that are recovery email and phone number. These can be used to recover lost Gmail ID and password. Now fill these information. After filling this information, click on Next. Now you will see a page of privacy and terms. Read it carefully. After reading it, click on I agree. This was the last step and now your Google account has been created. You can navigate to gmail.com to check your Gmail account. Thank you.